Controller drift can be frustrating, especially in gaming. Here is a quick guide to help you resolve controller drift issues in EASD25. Step 1. Check for physical obstructions. Inspect the joystick area for any dust or debris that may be causing the drift. Clean around the joystick with a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any obstructions. Step 2. Calibrate the controller. Connect your controller to the console or PC and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the controller calibration option and follow the prompts to recalibrate the joystick, ensuring it registers the correct neutral position. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or console settings for any available updates and install them to improve performance and fix potential issues. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In a game settings, locate the controller settings and adjust the dead zone for the joystick. Increasing the dead zone can help minimize the effects of drift by requiring a larger movement before the game registers input. Step 5. Consider hardware repair or replacement. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, it may be a hardware issue. Consider opening the controller to clean or replace the joystick module or contact customer support for repair or replacement options. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly address controller drift issues and enhance your gaming experience.